This is Paralyzer by Finger 11. I'm in standard tuning, so if you tune your guitar to a tuner, you should sound just like the recording. What I'm going to do is start with the intro to the song, which also functions as the chorus of the song, and we're going to work on the first guitar part of it. There it is, along with the tune. The whole thing starts with an E minor chord, and it kind of fades into the song, and then it stops abruptly. And the way you produce an E minor chord is you use your first and second fingers on the fifth and fourth strings, both on the second fret. So it's going to look like this. You kind of use them as one unit together. From there, we're going to kick on our distortion pedal, and our next riff is going to look like this. And what I'm doing here specifically is using my third finger on the 9th fret of the 4th string, and I have my first finger kind of anchored behind it on the 7th fret. Our first note is going to be the 9th fret note, and then we're going to lift it off to produce the 7th fret note. So we have, next our pinky comes over here to the 10th fret on the 5th string, followed by 3rd finger on 9th fret, 5th string. So we have, then there's a little mute in there. You lift your 3rd finger slightly and pick that string, like so. And then we play the note clean twice, and then 10th fret on the 5th string. So we have, next we jump on down here to an A chord, which is your first finger over the 4th, 3rd, and 2nd strings, all on the 2nd fret. And we hit that twice. Then we have a couple mutes. If you can, grab these harmonics with your pinky on the 5th fret, because there's a couple harmonics in there, like so. So they're kind of muted, but you can still hear the harmonics in there. If you can't get them, just a plain old mute is just fine. And that mute is produced by taking your fingers off of the strings slightly, but still having them touching the strings. So you're not fretting a note, you're just kind of touching the strings. And then using your right hand here to create the sound. And that's a down-up stroke. From there we have, which is 3rd finger, 4th fret, 3rd string, down pick, and then an up stroke, up back on our A chord, with particular emphasis on this note here, the 3rd string note. You can even kind of just play that note to emphasize it, like so. And from there we repeat our intro riff once. So when we put it all together, we get this. So there we have it. There's our main riff to the song, Guitar 1 for the intro and chorus. Let's move along to the second guitar. This is the octave guitar you hear in the intro to the song. It's played up here, or way up here, with our index finger on the 14th fret. I'll play it along with the music once for you here, so you can see what it looks like. And then we will go over. The part here is fairly straightforward. It's the same exact fingering that we used here for the first guitar, except we're just going to move it to the 3rd string and 4th string with our index finger based on the 14th fret. So simply that's going to be 16, 3rd finger, 14, 1st finger, 17, pinky, 4th string, 3rd finger, 16th, mute, and then 16, 16, 17. So there we go. There's our octave guitar, and by the way, it doesn't start till the second cycle. I just played it along with both cycles so you could get a better look at it. let's move along to the other guitar part.